Kamusta mga kabasketbolista? Tinambak ng 33 points ng Denver Nuggets ang Oklahoma City Thunder 128-95. Humakot ng 28 points, 14 rebounds, 5 assists si Nikola Jokic, habang 13 points, 3 rebounds, 5 assists, 1 block ang naambag ni Jalen Williams para sa Thunder. Tinalo naman ng Golden State Warriors ang Houston Rockets 106-95. Nagtala ng 24 points, 7 rebounds, 6 assists, 1 block si Stephen Curry ng Warriors. 19 points, 5 rebounds, 7 assists naman para kay Alperen Sengun ng Houston Rockets. Wagi naman ang Atlanta Hawks kontra sa Milwaukee Bucks 127-110. Trae Young nag-ambag ng 20 points, 3 rebounds, 11 assists, 1 steal. Giannis Antetokounmpo 26 points, 11 rebounds, 3 assists, 1 steal, 2 blocks. 28 points naman ang nilamang ng Philadelphia 76ers kontra sa Portland Trail Blazers 126-98. Joel Embiid nagtala ng 35 points, 15 rebounds, 7 assists, 2 steals, 6 blocks. Malcolm Brogdon ng Blazers 18 points, 5 rebounds, 5 assists, 1 steal. Tinambakan naman ng 40 points ng Los Angeles Clippers ang San Antonio Spurs 123-83. Pinangunahan ni Paul George ang Clippers sa kanyang 19 points, 4 rebounds, 5 assists, 5 steals. C.D. Osman ng Spurs ang nagtala ng 12 points, 1 rebound, 1 assist, 1 steal, 1 block. Tinalo naman ng Sacramento Kings sa overtime ang Los Angeles Lakers 132-127. De'Aaron Fox 37 points, 4 rebounds, 8 assists, 1 steal, 1 block. Habang 30 points, 16 rebounds, 2 assists, 2 steals, 3 blocks para kay Anthony Davis. Kung umabot ka dito sa video na to, mag-like na at subscribe. Game recap muna tayo. October 29, 2023, panalo ang Detroit Pistons kontra sa Chicago Bulls 118-102. Pinangunahan ni Jalen Duren ang Pistons sa kanyang 23 points, 15 rebounds, 5 assists, 1 steal, 2 blocks. Zach LaVine 51 points, 4 rebounds, 1 steal. Panalo din ang Washington Wizards kontra sa Memphis Grizzlies 113-106. Kyle Kuzma 21 points, 13 rebounds, 2 assists, 1 steal. Para naman sa Grizzlies, Desmond Bain 26 points, 2 rebounds, 5 assists, 1 steal, 1 block. Wagi naman ang New Orleans Pelicans kontra sa New York Knicks 96-87. Brandon Ingram 26 points, 7 rebounds, 3 assists, 1 steal. Mitchell Robinson ng Knicks ang nag-ambag ng 8 points, 15 rebounds, 1 steal, 2 blocks. Tinalo naman ng Indiana Pacers ang Cleveland Cavaliers 125-113. Tyrese Haliburton 21 points, 8 rebounds, 13 assists. Evan Mobley 33 points, 14 rebounds, 3 assists, 3 blocks. Panalo naman ang Philadelphia 76ers kontra sa Toronto Raptors 114-107. Nagtala ng 34 points, 9 rebounds, 8 assists, 1 steal, 2 blocks si Joel Embiid. Scottie Barnes ng Raptors 24 points, 8 rebounds, 5 assists, 2 blocks. Pinataob naman ng Minnesota Timberwolves ang Miami Heat 106-90. Nazred 25 points, 8 rebounds, 1 assist, 2 steals. Tyler Hero ng Miami Heat 22 points, 5 rebounds, 4 assists. Panalo naman ang Phoenix Suns kontra sa Utah Jazz 126-104. Kevin Durant 26 points, 4 rebounds, 7 assists, 1 steal, 1 block. Lauri Markkanen 19 points, 3 rebounds, 1 steal, 2 blocks. Heto ang mga laro ngayong October 31, 2023. Sa alas 7 ng umaga, maglalaban ang Brooklyn Nets at Charlotte Hornets. Magharap naman ang Chicago Bulls at Indiana Pacers. Maglalaban din ang Boston Celtics at Washington Wizards. Sa alas 7:30 ng umaga, kakalabanin ng Minnesota Timberwolves ang Atlanta Hawks. Kakaharapin naman ng Portland Trail Blazers ang Toronto Raptors. Sa alas 8 ng umaga, maglalaban ang Dallas Mavericks at Memphis Grizzlies. Magtutuos naman ang Miami Heat at Milwaukee Bucks. Magharap din ang Golden State Warriors at New Orleans Pelicans. Maglalaban naman ang Detroit Pistons at Oklahoma City Thunder. Kakalabanin naman ng Utah Jazz ang Denver Nuggets alas 9 ng umaga. Maglalaban naman ang Orlando Magic at Los Angeles Lakers alas 10:30 ng umaga. Heto ang team standings as of October 30, 2023. Sa Western Conference, Denver Nuggets 3 wins, 0 loss. New Orleans Pelicans 2 wins, 0 loss. Dallas Mavericks 2 wins, 0 loss. Phoenix Suns 2 wins, 1 loss. Golden State Warriors 2 wins, 1 loss. Sacramento Kings 2 wins, 1 loss. Los Angeles Clippers 2 wins, 1 loss. Oklahoma City Thunder 2 wins, 1 loss. Minnesota Timberwolves 1 win, 1 loss. Los Angeles Lakers 1 win, 2 losses. Utah Jazz 1 win, 2 losses. San Antonio Spurs 1 win, 2 losses. Houston Rockets 0 win 3 losses. Portland Trail Blazers 0 win 3 losses. Memphis Grizzlies 0 win 3 losses. Para naman sa Eastern Conference, Orlando Magic 2 wins 0 loss. Indiana Pacers 2 wins 0 loss. Boston Celtics 2 wins 0 loss. Detroit Pistons 2 wins 1 loss. Philadelphia 76ers 2 wins 1 loss. Milwaukee Bucks 1 win 1 loss. Charlotte Hornets 1 win 1 loss. Washington Wizards 1 win 1 loss. Miami Heat 1 win 2 losses. New York Knicks 1 win 2 losses. Cleveland Cavaliers 1 win 2 losses. Chicago Bulls 1 win 2 losses. Atlanta Hawks 1 win 2 losses. Toronto Raptors 1 win 2 losses. Brooklyn Nets 0 win 2 losses. Kung nagustuhan mo ang video na to, mag-like na at subscribe.